happened, it was released
Good
much
morning,
before
sir.
के बाद में release हुआ है ये.
I can't hear your voice.
You might be muted. You just unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now audible?
सर
Audible now?
इसको चैट में डाल देते हैं कि भी वो अपना ऑडियो को वो करे.
हाँ, उनका ऑडियो थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है ऑफ होगा.
हाँ, वो इसने ऑडियो इसका स्लो होगा, इसने वो भी या जॉइंट विद नहीं किया होगा.
उनका ऑडियो जो है मुझे लगता है ऑफ ही होगा. लेट अस सी.
किसका ऑडियो, सर?
आपका. अच्छा, ठीक है. नाउ ऑडिबल. वी आर ऑडिबल टू यू. हरबीर मैम, वी आर ऑडिबल टू यू.
हाँ जी, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you two are audible. Okay.
Yes.
First we good morning to all of you, and actually
Good morning.
today we are going to discuss the things which are just hindering the speed of our work, and we want to make it clear today. So first I will present you certain things, because we are doing the case study type of thing. This is yesterday I talked to Parvinder, and I talked to some people in CBSE also. Nobody has this clear-cut things, but we will go with the rationale which we have. So I will share my screen with you, and then we will just start what we can do it. Are you getting my screen now?
No, not sir.
Not
Yes?
yet.
Not yet, sir. Not yet, sir.
Is it there now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay.
It's visible now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
This I have taken from that CBSE rational or curriculum. Design of the question paper for board examination to ensure flexibility in the assessment at board examination. The detailed design of the paper is not included in the curriculum document. The details of the design of the question paper shall be subsequently notified. However, the board examination shall rest as per the weightage allocated to each area or unit given in the respective subject. So they are saying that as far as this that design of the question paper is there, so flexibility is there, and we first we will move to the next one, and then we will come to discuss what they are trying to say. They say that this part be 40 marks, and reading section 8 marks. This is, I think, of class 11th. For class 11, they have given this thing. Okay. Mind you that this is part B of class 11 question paper. They have included this note making and summarization based on a passage. Okay. Even they have bifurcated the marks here, title and numbering and key and glossary, etc. So they have given it to the class 11th question paper, class 11th syllabus for 2021. It means that this note making is not absolutely removed, because they are just giving this question to class 11th this year only. And then we come to this deleted portion. They are saying that these are the deleted topics, and in the same document they are saying that these are deleted. So they are first they say that this is the curriculum for 2021 exclusively, and then they are giving the question paper, that pattern and the weightage and curriculum of the question, and now they are just mentioning the deleted there itself. Okay, so this is another thing that this I have because this could not be taken exactly, so this was taken as screenshot, and look at this. It says curriculum deduction details deleted portion only for the purpose of annual examination 2021. This has to be read along with the revised syllabus and also with the alternative calendar of NCERT. As far as NCERT is concerned, we don't have any detail from them. But this again, it is saying that it is only for 2021. Okay. Now we will move to the next slide. That what the next slide is saying. This is my take. Actually, we will discuss this. Class 12, pre-revised. This is the pre-revised one. In the pre-revised one, they had given everything. They had given this first for this reading comprehension, and the second one with this note making. This was the pre-revised because there are two documents lying in CBSE portal. So the first one is the pre-revised, and in pre-revised they are giving two questions, that A and B. A belongs to that comprehension and B is the note making and summarizing. And after that they are giving exclusively for 2021. So this is the point where we must think, and then we should decide what we are going to do. Then now what we do, this is my take. We will discuss this thing. What I thought yesterday and this morning only, that a study portion as exists, or we can make it better, or we can make it innovative and effective. I'm talking about the study portion. A study portion, you know that when we are introducing that chapter or that unit or that item, for example, we are introducing a chapter. So of course, if we are going with the value points, bullet points, flow chart, and maybe a little forward of that, so that we can include. Okay, that can be done as it is given in the old support material, and we can make that better also. As far as the assessment portion, the moment we come to the exercise portion, assessment portion as given in the CBSE sample paper 2021. Let us go with that assessment portion. We will just make the questions and exercises on the basis of that particular line. And inclusion, we will include all deleted chapters, areas and items. We will go for inclusion because this is the type of instruction from examination department that include the deleted chapter. And the document also says that these items are deleted for this year. Nandini is right. They are not saying, they are not writing this year, but they have given that deleted in the area where they are talking about the syllabus and the curriculum for 2021. Okay, now space crunch is there. We have the space problem. This is the major thing which we are suffering and we have the think of. So we can do one thing. We can have the less coverage to deleted topics in assessment portion. As far as the study portion is concerned, in a study portion, we need to just introduce the topic. We need to say something. We need to give some input to the student. But when we come to the assessment portion, we can drastically reduce the space there as far as these deleted areas, deleted topics are concerned. For example, just one textual comprehension we may give to one chapter, only one, just, and that also we can beautifully design a smaller, we can take a smaller extract, and we can fix questions which are not taking that much space. This is only to carry examination department's word forward and to include these things. And as far as the specimen, for example, we can only give the specimen of note making and summarizing. There is no need to go with 2, 3, 4 passages. Only just introduce and give the tips. Now, for removing chaos, queries, and ambiguities, because this is the thing which we need to address. Students, teachers, maybe some friends, they might call you that this is ambiguous, whether you are preparing for 2022 or you, because this support material will go to the students in the month of April and May. By that time, suppose CBSE comes with some changes, okay, then everybody will be just on hotline and they will be just calling you and calling me and putting lots of queries. So because we don't have any clear-cut things here, so to remove this, ambiguity, we can just under the contributors table where we are going to give the name of contributors, under that table we may provide a rider note, and that rider note will be like this: the student support material for class 12th English is prepared on the line of CBSE's revised curriculum 2021 and board examination pattern as given in sample question paper 2021. So this type of thing will at least remove that ambiguity, and by that time, if there is some change, then we can pursue the examination department. Rather, we can at our own level we can prepare some that appendix of 5-page, 10-page, and we can just give that to the department through MIS or mail in case some drastic change is coming out of that 2022 question paper. One thing is very clear as far as my association with CBSE and NCERT is concerned. They are changing very quickly, and this new education policy, they might include something more. They might bring in something more. But if we just this one thing is clear, that they are going to test the language like this. It means the question pattern, this MCQ base, and the nature of this they are going with this one, because they have to prepare the student for competitive examination. But they will bring in some changes definitely. So 2022 question paper pattern, 2022 curriculum will come again, and we will have to adjust that. So that time we can do something. What I have given here, no, this is we will discuss this later on, because this I wanted to talk about Swati's that content. Now we will discuss something that I'll just unshare my screen here, and then we will discuss what is the situation now, what can be done. The slides which I have shown you, the matter which I discussed with you. Now, how far you agree to this? Whether I am going on the right track or you have something different to say? Okay, Nandini, first I will take you.
Sir, it's okay. Whatever you have suggested has logic in it. But still, I have a question. Do we work on the topics which have been deleted? I mean, note making and art chapters. I mean, do we start working on those topics as well, or we leave them as it is, as they were in the previous support material? Or should we prepare fresh RTCs, or for those chapters, and as well we divide them in the three sections we had talked about, like introduction and then part A and part B? Should we divide them?
Definitely, actually, we should, as far as the study portion is there, study portion can be similar as given, but when we are coming to that assessment portion, that exercise area, then we need to switch to the new pattern and new questions. But again, I am saying that we need not cover that much extensively, as we are covering those topics which are already there for this year.
Sir, actually, I was asking this because when I talked to Sonia, and Sonia was preparing RTCs and multiple choice questions. So we thought, why to put such an effort for those chapters which are not there, and we are not very sure whether they will be there in the next session or not, whether the even the pattern, whether it would be same or different from now. So should we put such an effort for those chapters, and especially and in fact for note making? Nothing has to be done for note making, because we don't have any instructions for note making. So again, the same question: should note making be kept, or should we remove it?
So you mean to say that if we keep these deleted chapters and deleted content as it is, then that is fine?
Actually, I am not in favor of keeping
Ma'am,
those.
Nandini, can you add something here?
I'll come to you. Harbir, I will come to you. This is as important as a top level, case in Supreme Court. So we are arguing a very vital thing. This is not that much easy. So you mean to say that let us include, it means you have agreed partially, like farmers are just there and they're saying, okay, this thing is agree, this thing not, do not agree. So now you have come to the conclusion that, okay, let us include. This is examination department's guideline that include deleted chapters. We have to include. Now the question is whether we should include these with some modifications or not. Now the thing is that if we are just doing all exercises for other topics which are there for this year, then just I told all of you that let us bring the scale down. Let us not do that much labor. For example, we are not giving that 4-5 pages. For example, normally one chapter takes 5 pages. Let us cover that within 1 or 2 pages. But at least we should bring the basic spirit of the questions and the exercises and the testing items. This is my thing. And one thing I'm telling you, look at that for class 11th question paper this year, they have brought this note making in part B, in writing area. They have not put it in that reading portion part they have brought it to that part B, where there is the literature and long question, etc., where there are the subjective questions. Deliberately, it means that this note making is going to be there and it is going to be a writing task. It is not, because note making is note making, so that cannot be objective, that cannot be MCQ based. So they have deliberately brought that to the part B. Okay, now Sonia.
जी सर. सर जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, as I understand is that presently the support material has to have the deleted areas as suggested by the examination. So the only thing which seems sensible as you put in is that for the deleted areas we restrict the number of assessment questions, maybe make it only 4 short answer question, 2 long answer with extrapolation, 1 RTC and 2 standalone MCQ. So with that kind of and similarly the chapters which are there, we can have 5 short answer questions, 3 long answer, 2 RTCs and maybe 3 or 4 standalone. So with that kind of clear cut pattern, we play safe. That is the only, because as you were saying that there is no clarity for next year. So if there is a change, that handout, and if there is a change and these deleted chapters are included on the same pattern, then also it lessens our work. We just have to include a little more in the deleted chapters, right? And
Right.
if it is not there, then our energy, it's a learning experience. Then I don't know, sir. It's total chaos. भाई आप काम बोल दो सर, काम कर.
Sonia, if there is change, na, they will change in these chapters also where we are working this year also. If they bring change, they can bring any change.
जी 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 बिल्कुल. वैसे भी सर नहीं, आपको ज्यादा पता होगा, with the new state education coming up, these chapters might not be there in the government schools in the coming future. There might be a total change of the syllabus, the curriculum, with the new state policies and the new state education. So वो तो हमको वैसे ही कुछ नहीं मालूम है सर. If you look ahead in future, there is the state board which is being talked about so very
that अभी तो उसको भूल जाओ, अभी तो फिलहाल लेटेस्ट जस्ट.
हाँ सर, तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि अगर एक बात समझ आई सर, what I've understood, friends and sir, that deleted portion is to remain, right? So deleted portion पे ही आप जगह की problem है, there is a lot of problem of space. So the answer, I would not suggest that we remove the initial part. That is the summary and the value points. On that basis only children will attempt the assessment. So no, I personally feel that portion has to remain.
Let me interrupt. In case we have just covered that study portion, we have given more space to that. Then, if possible, we can bring that down. So suppose we have to save the space. Suppose we have given flow chart and we have given bullet points and we have included many other things that, interestingly, last year we did really hard work. So suppose we have given more space, then we can bring the space down from there also. But in exercise portion, we can delete. That is in our area, in our zone.
हाँ जी सर, मतलब मैं चाह रही थी कि स्टडी मटेरियल रहे, उसको हम ना हटाएं, क्योंकि वो तो एक हमारा बेस बनेगा on which the children will attempt the assessment.
नहीं हटा रहे हैं, we are not removing that, we are not removing, वो तो फैक्ट है, उसको हटाना ही नहीं जब
हाँ, वो
नहीं
मैंने सुन लिया, आई एम एंडोर्सिंग दैट सर, वो मैंने आपकी बात समझ ली थी, उसी को मैं समर्थन दे रही हूँ कि उसको रहने ही देंगे तो बेटर रहेगा सर. दैट इज माय द रीजन आई शेयर्ड विद यू कि वो रहना ही चाहिए सर. दैट इज माय.
Okay, Harbir, now over to you.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. Sir, I had I readily agree with what Sonia ma'am and Nandini ma'am has said, that the value points need to be there in the deleted chapters also, which we are trying to include them in the support material. But like along with the value points, we can just focus on the questions also, but lesser content. Like as you said, I just wanted to say that the deleted chapters must be there. It is mandatory actually, even if they are deleted later on, if they are not included, or whether they are included or not, but we need to put them, incorporate in the in our support materials with the value points and lesser short questions, the SQs and the MCQs, and I think 2 or 3 extrapolative questions. That's it.
Thanks God that you started that you agreed with Sonia and Nandini, and I thought that you are going to disagree with me, but your concluding portion was heartfelt.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I agree with you also. So I mean, that's what I think. Like,
that I got now. Otherwise, I was going to just leave the meeting. Okay.
thanks.
What is your take?
Pardon, sir?
What do you say? Whatever we have discussed right now.
So you are talking to me?
Yeah, Swati.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So I have doubts on note making only, that where you're going to keep it in part A or part B. And about literature, I think it makes sense because we heard before the pandemic that there is a major change in syllabus that is going to take place. So I think they did that, and by the time it happened, and they included the deleted portion also. And if you see the lessons, there are other lessons that I think like Tiger King and Going Places, those were fine. I don't think they're going to delete it. So the thing is not clear, and I think we should keep the deleted portion with reduced questions. We can give minimum pages to them, and we're going to keep the content because we do need the content, and this support material is going to serve the next session. So that makes sense to me. It is going to be there. The deleted portion is going to be there. I have just doubts on note making, that whether they're going to keep it according to examination pattern or not. I just have doubt on that.
That is a very good point, that whether it be kept in part A or part B. This is the thing that because as far as the 11th class is concerned, they have put it in part B. But I think we should not disturb it from part A. Let us keep it there only. We can give some note also there that this is not going to be test. This is even note is not possible. Let us keep that in part A itself, because that is the part of reading section. But definitely that will come to part B if they go with this type of pattern, that part A completely objective and MCQ based, and part B descriptive. So they will bring that question definitely to part B. But for time being, let us not bring that, because this is not the instruction that what we are going to do this year.
Sir, can I suggest something?
Suggest.
Sir, note making can be kept in between after we complete the part A portion and before we start part B, and just give, as you said, just give a 2-liner kind of a, just a 2-liner suggesting note making. तो उसमें हमारा वो part A part B की confusion ही खत्म हो जाएगी. उसको हमने दिया है because it's support material ना. Support material is to support. It is not only assessment, it is to help the child become a better learner. And so if we just give a small note that at this point in class 12th it is deleted, but it is there for reference. So we can keep it there. Not in part A, part B, जहाँ भी जाना वो चला जाएगा, पर हमारी तरफ से नोट मेकिंग के 2 पैसेजेस, सिर्फ 2 ही सर, एक एक पेज का 2 पैसेज, मतलब हमारे 2 पेजेस में हम उसको छोटा पैसेज डालें, मतलब पैसेज जितना हमारा आइडेंटिफाइड है 700 वर्ड्स का हुआ तो 350 के 2 पैसेजेस विद द only with you have to find the abbreviation, just the instruction or the question without any marking. We can put it, period. And let it be, because that will serve the purpose of part A and part B wherever it has to go.
Right. Then that can be moved from that portion to part B in case they require. And moreover,
So
this is not going to cover more, because you know that only passage is to be given and the question is to be given. Otherwise,
दो पेज सर, दो पैसेजेस बहुत है मुझे लगता है
Yeah, yeah.
बाकी बाकी हमारा ग्रुप है, बताते हैं कैसे.
I think this
That's a good idea, sir.
suggestion from Sonia, we all agree with this one. Ki, okay, let us put it after part A concludes this new
Sir,
pattern.